Hi, this is Ganesh. Today I would like to tell how to create a class in C++ using some attributes. Let's look into the code. The code goes like this. This is the code. Class means it is a user-defined data type. We can create as our data means not like integer. It is a fixed one. This is a class means user-defined data type. Here I declared my class name as a student. By default in class automatically it goes to private. That's why we need to defer private and public. Here is the example. We need to enter I declared here the admission number and name of the student as subjects English, Maths, Science, and float means to declare the total. C total is a function to calculate all the subjects, and it returns the total value. Public means private means which is hidden, we cannot use it by others. Public means it is used, means void take data means it will take the data from the user. Void show data means it is the function to get to display the output. Likewise here C total, it will show us the total of all the subjects and display individually the subject marks of separate subjects. And these are the objects of a class where the student is the student. This is called as the member of classes. This admission number and the name subjects. Here is the objects of the class, student 1 and student 2. Student 1 dot take data means you need to get the data from the user. Student and st1 dot show data means it will show to the display, and as a previous student 2 also take the data from the user and show the data to the user. Let's run this program to see the output. Enter the admission number. I am entering as 1, 2, 3, 4. Name. Enter the marks of individual subjects. It will display the total admission number and the name of the student and the individual marks and the total marks. For student 2, name, marks, like that. Let's take another example to better view. This is for better understanding. Here is the class name of batsman. Here is the member of the class. Means this is the private. No one can access. This is batsman code and name of the batsman of array size 20. These are the innings of the batsman, not outs, runs. To calculate the average, batsman average is equal to runs by innings minus not out. This is the function to get the data from the user. Here we will run the do loop because we need to get the user. We need to get the batsman code for 4 digits. That's why. And to enter the name, this is the one. And innings, not out, runs. To calculate the average, as we see here, this will run. Void, that is the function to calculate the average. Void display data means it is the function to display the data to the user. Here is the objects for the batsman B1 and B2. B1 dot read data means it will get the data which are used for the batsman from the user. B2 dot read means same. B2 dot display means it will show you the data of the batsman which you have entered previously. Let's run this program and see the output. 4-digit code, name, innings, not out, runs. It will display all the data which you have entered here. Let's see another example on this. Here I declared my name of the class as report. and here is the number of the classes in admission number, marks of 5 subjects, and to calculate the average, this is the function get average. To calculate the average of all the marks, means all the subjects, average is equal to sum of all the subjects by total number of the subjects. Read info means to get the data from the user. Here we are using do loop for to get the 4-digit admission number, and for loop to get the 5 subject marks. Int I is equal to 0 to 5 means it will run up to the 4. For 5 subjects, 0 to 4, incrementation of next subjects. Get average means this is the function to get the average of all the marks, and to display the data, this is the function to display the data, and the marks of all the subjects, average of all the subjects. R1 is the object of a report, and R1 dot get info to get the data from the user. This is the one we use. R1 dot display to display the data which you have entered previously, all the subjects. Let's run the program. Admission number, enter name, first subject marks, like that it will show you the admission number and data which you have entered previously with the average. That's it. Thank you.